Today I'll be showing y'all my daily skincare routine. This is the routine I do every morning and every night when washing off my makeup, just washing my face anytime. So I'm gonna be starting with using my spin brush that I got from Walmart, and my Freeman's charcoal and black sugar mask came from Walmart as well, along with my clean and clear face cleanser that I mixed with the Freeman's because I just like to do that. I don't know why. I really swear by clean and clear, so that's probably why I do that. I've been using clean and clear for years, and I just like their products, honestly. So after I feel like I washed my face enough, I rinse my face off with warm water first, and then I rinse my face off the second time with cold water to close my pores. And you can literally see the difference in your skin when you do that. And after that, I just get a face rag and I pat my face dry. I don't rub because I don't want my skin to get irritated, so I literally pat it dry. So after I do that, I just get these little cotton pads that you can find at Dollar General, Walmart, Family Dollar, and I use the Thayer's Witch Hazel, and I apply that to the cotton ball, and I literally rub that all over my face to help out with toning and my dark marks. So this Thayer's Witch Hazel is new to me because I used to use the other brand Witch Hazel, you know, the one that you can get out of Walmart. I got the Thayer's from Target. It was probably like, I don't know, $7 or $8. I forgot, but it'll be in the description box. But I like the way that the Thayer's Witch Hazel does my skin. I don't know, it has it looking different, like glowy, kind of like, you'll see. So once I'm done rubbing all that witch hazel into my skin, I like to fan it dry and then apply like my tea tree oil and coconut oil as a moisturizer. Now that tea tree oil is so strong, so that's why I use it with my coconut oil, because it kind of like dilutes it and it doesn't make it burn my face, because when I put it on there by itself, it does burn my face. Along with applying some coconut oil to my lips. That is my everyday skincare routine, and I try to use the same products because I really don't like to irritate my face using different products. Everything I use will be down in the description box. You guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.